It's nice to be able to talk to each other, Maddie, without yelling.
I know.
So who has Tatum and Eden's up with Uncle Mikey, right?
I don't know. I was messing with your machine that whole time. I didn't check that.
We got Tatum. It's so pretty up here.
It is very pretty up here. Uh-oh, we have a tree in front of us. Grandpa, we need this chainsaw.
Hey, where are you guys at?
We're back here where the air is fresh and clear.
So it's a rain drop. Can I go back to camp?
Yes, you can go back to camp.
Hey, so where are you going exactly?
I don't know, just going down this road.
Sounds good.
How far back are you guys?
Quite a ways from where you're at.
Stay to the left.
Roger that.